This switches do nothing. Oh, did we pay the power bill? And I want to do the deal just because the products are great and I actually believe in them. Hopefully that helps you get a new motor in the old 6.7 right here. The dang windshield is smashed. And look at the brightness difference. Oh my gosh, I kind of feel bad in the original video now. But brand new windshield. Look at that. All right, guys, well, I told you we would pay Ovi all the money we made off of the 6.7 video, the white one here. When it blew up, lost an absolute fortune on this, about 40 grand. That was lowballing that number too, by the way. Actually lost a lot more than that, but thanks to you guys' help on that video, it got a whole 70 views and made a whopping 60 cents. So this is going to go real far. Oh, don't lose it there. We need every cent. So thank you guys so much for helping Ovi out. We're going to leave that right there for you, boss. And hopefully that helps you get a new motor in the old 6.7 right here. And maybe we'll do better in this one. So let's come around the corner. There she is. Oh my gosh, I promised you guys an L5P update. And I figured why not do it while Ovi's got it hooked up to the gooseneck. Had both units out to the local terrain park and got some use out of them over Memorial Day weekend. So we will talk about these units in just a second. You probably could tell by the thumbnail, but doesn't the L5P look so good? Look at the American Forces covered in dirt. Hey, that's what they make trucks for though, right? So anyways, I told you guys we have been doing some updates. Well, at least Ovi has, on getting this unit ready for the road full time, and it's coming along great. Let me see here because I got a list of things. First thing he did, he put longer shocks in the front to help with the ride quality. So those are brand new shocks in the front. That is great. He also has new axle seals and bearings on there. And then he did add some front bumper spacers to help get a little bit more clearance for the 33s. Yeah, it's a Chevy, so it's sad that it barely clears 33s and not 35s or 37s. And it's still got some carnage over here, some cutting and drilling just to try to make this thing turn. It's not perfect, but it is getting better. And then probably the biggest news is brand new windshield. Look at that. Had a guy come down into the shop. I'll put a picture on the screen. So originally this came into the shop cracked, so it's been broken forever. Now we got some brand new glass, which is good. We'll have to get the 6-inch strip, probably 5% to match the tint, which will be super nice. But yeah, super happy to have the new glass on the windshield. Also, the front differential was leaking. That's a different leak, I'm sure. But the front diff seal was leaking, so got a new seal on there. New door seals to help with the rain. It was leaking a little bit. Thought it was the glass, but it wasn't. It was from the door seal, so that is fixed. And then a front left wheel bearing as well. So just chipping away. He's fixing things as he goes. And these things, although they may seem small, they add up super quick. If you know, you know. But gosh, I just love this thing. If you guys have not seen our build series on this, please go back and check that out. This was a base model truck, and now it has a bunch of Denali and AT4 type upgrades. It's a 2020, and now we're pretending it's an Ultimate with the 24 front end and the Vader Chrome. So this thing is an absolute unit. Now we will go to the back, and probably the subject of the video, other than the updates here, are the CFMoto. Look at this baby. We built this one too over the last winter. I keep taking this Wii stuff. I mean, it's all of our channel, but Ovi does a majority of the work and the guys down here. But this is the CFMoto U10 Pro XL, and it just looks incredible with a leveling kit, paint match suspension, white and teal everything. And did you guys see up there? We can just go ahead and do the icebreaker, because speaking of breakers, the dang windshield is smashed on this brand new beautiful unit. One of the buddies had it out. Ovi was riding this one. A buddy was riding this one, and well, he smacked a tree on the course and, well, shattered that booger. And something like this is about $1,400. So this is another GoFundMe video. If you guys could please like and hype this up, so that way we can try to donate some more money to Ovi to get a new windshield. $1,400 sounds insane, but you know what? That's what these things go for, man. Everything's expensive these days. Again, if you know, you know. And then here's Ovi's RZR Pro, which we built probably a year and a half ago, 2 years ago maybe. The time really does fly, but this unit is so freaking sweet too. You can check out both of these builds on the channel, the custom gooseneck trailer to match, and of course the L5P. So guys, what a setup. Freaking love it. Jake's truck has moved, but if you guys seen in the last video, the 2015 F250 F350 Steel Body Platinum is getting some work done on the channel as well, so stick around for some project updates on that too. We got stuff on the way, and yeah, it's just exciting stuff, so we just thank you guys enough. Let's get Ovi some money for a new windshield, shall we? And I'm peeling off the little blue film right here on the lights since I didn't do it last time. And look at the brightness difference. Oh my gosh, I kind of feel bad in the original video now. But let's continue to pull these off and then we'll finish wiring some of this stuff up just to make sure it's good to go for when Ovi needs the trailer next. Jeez. There's two now. Oh my gosh, so much brighter, ain't it? Jeez. Dang. There we go. So yeah, the sun's coming up fast, but look at how much better that looks. I'm trying to adjust the lights too, front and back, side to side, to make them line up as best as possible so they're straight. I was kind of getting a view from up front there. Doesn't that look cool lit up like that? So I got two nice lines. And it was funny, the more I pushed the light inwards on the trailer, the light went out. You'd think it would be opposite, but for some reason, it wasn't. But man, that sucker looks so much brighter now. Kind of embarrassed I didn't do that in the original video, but now we just got to kind of button up some of the wiring, put some more zip ties on, cut the ends off, the boring stuff, but we want to make sure that it's ready to ride for when we need it. Okay, well, the darkness did not last long. It is already bright out here. I just got done cutting a bunch of the zip ties, and now I'm dropping stuff right here. But again, just a lot of miscellaneous odds and ends stuff today. I do got a couple things here. Number one, if you own a trailer, you know that the pins for the ramps always end up getting lost and smashed. So I got some extras here because you never want to be without these. I've already dropped a ramp in motion once and drug it halfway down the street, which was a terrible idea until somebody flagged me down. So we got a couple extra of these. We'll go ahead and store these away in here nicely, like that. And then the second thing I got was the hardware I used for the battery was kind of janky, so I got some nice clips here so I can redo the battery connections right here. I don't know if you can see down in there, but again, these wing nuts are going to be a lot nicer, so we'll go ahead and have these for the battery. And then we got our new license plate sticker here. It cost me $270 for the registration on this plate. That really sucks. I think for the truck it's like $150, so the fact that this is almost double the price for a trailer with no engine is beyond me, but that is what it is. So again, spending money. And speaking of plates, guys, I want to show you something here in the sponsor bag. Again, I just keep a bag full of sponsored items here. This plate is not sponsored, but I do want to talk about it. Look at this beautiful plate right here. So a lot of times when I'm filming other people's trucks, I like to respect their privacy and their plates, so I end up putting a Vanity plate over it. I got this brand new one. Instagram advertisements caught me on this one, but this one is actually a memorial tribute to my cousin that I lost years ago in a motorcycle accident. It completely changed my life. That was my cousin, my best friend of all time. So this is like me bringing him along for this video series. It means an absolute ton to me. So this was his old social media account name, YouTube name, etc., J-Man number 7. So this is a big shout out to him so I can bring him along for the journey. So this is a super cool novelty item that I'm going to be putting on. So when you guys see this in future videos, just know this is near and dear to my heart. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Let's keep moving. And I just noticed, is this thing broken? Come on in here, guys. It is rather dark in here, and guess what? Those switches do nothing. This switches do nothing. Oh, did we pay the power bill? Hey guys, you're gonna have to really like this video because not only do we need money for the CFMoto windshield, we can't even turn the lights on no more. So times are tough out here, guys. There's the Lambo doors. Buy this thing. I guess we'll talk about it real quick. If you guys are interested, if you didn't see in the last couple videos or my Instagram stories, posts, etc., Ovi's RZR XP Big Turbo Lambo doors is up for sale. Haven't officially listed it yet, so this is your chance to get in before the rush. Under 20K, shoot us a good offer on this thing. It's a unit, boy. Custom built. Let's go. Let's come around here and turn them lights back on. Amber. LED, there we go. I like the white LED. Okay, so we can sit up here. It's funny because Whoa, that sucker is slick. I wasn't able to even add all the zip ties I wanted because the dang trailer is so wet it just poured down rain, and well, those zip tie things didn't stick very good. They did stick last time when it was dry, so I did give them some nice pulls and they're holding up tight, so that's good. I did just want to tell you guys, as far as like endorsements and things you guys see on the channel, most of this stuff we're just advertising for companies. Maybe they floated us some merch, some parts, etc. Well, I did get an official offer to make like 6 videos for Lasfit, and paid each video that I make a flat rate and a commission. And well, I'm just not sure if I want to take that leap yet and push that stuff out. Number one, you guys weren't super into those videos yet, unfortunately. Nothing against Lasfit, because the products are super crazy and I want to do the deal just because the products are great and I actually believe in them. But I don't want to push content on you guys that you don't want to see, so I don't want that to sound offensive, or I also don't want to sell out and just push content. I hope it doesn't feel like that. I'm sure it does at sometimes, but I'm just trying to hype people up. It takes a lot of effort and energy and money in this industry. And again, I don't want it to be like the possessions are the focus. It's all about the community. It's all about you guys and just what all these cool trucks and ATVs bring out in the community. So again, it does take money. I'm sorry that it does that. It's just the nature of the business. I'm getting attacked by freaking bugs out here. I just want to scream. So let me know what you guys think on the Lasfit deal. I'm just trying to be open and honest here, and just enjoy stuff with you guys that you actually want to see. So I think that's all in this video. I know we got a lot of odds and ends stuff, but please stick around, guys. We have a lot of fun. Let us know what you want to see different in the comments below. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. God bless you all. Peace.